In today's competitive digital world, capturing leads and growing your email list is very crucial. But traditional subscription forms often leave visitors on your site unenthusiastic, with conversion rates as low as 1 to 3%, which is very, very low. And that's where gamification comes in. Gamified pop-ups like spin the wheel or even scratch cards can increase your conversion by up to about 36%. And that's why in this video, we're going to be exploring on how to use gamified pop-ups to build your email list even 10 times faster using Claspo.io. And now the reason gamified pop-ups work so effectively for your site is because it is actually rooted in psychology. People love games, challenges, and the chance to win gifts. Gamification taps into this natural craving for fun, instant rewards, and even a sense of achievement. Unlike static forms, which can feel like an interruption, gamified pop-ups create a sense of excitement and curiosity for your website visitors. This increases the likelihood of visitors interacting with your site and even signing up for your offers. And one major thing you must understand as an e-commerce brand owner or e-commerce owner is that for you to capture more leads without disrupting the user experience on your website, it is very, very important for you to choose the right gamification strategy. For example, let's look at, welcome the spin the wheel pop-up. You need to greet new visitors with a fun wheel offering discounts or even freebies in exchange for their email. It's an easy way to capture leads while giving visitors a rewarding experience right off the bat. Same thing applies to the intent pop-up. For example, this is actually a type of pop-up where the visitors, when they're about to leave your site, you're offering them a last chance at a special deal, which can encourage them to stay or even complete their purchase. And then same thing applies to the cart abandonment pop-up. When visitors are about to buy, place an order and then they're about to abandon it. With the help of this pop-up, you're going to ensure that your visitors complete their purchase. Now let's dive into the setup of the Claspo.io with our website. All right. Now this is how you actually want to get started with your gamified pop-up using Claspo.io. The first thing you need to do is to head to the site. You want to search for Claspo on Google, and then you want to sign up easily with your email account. You can use a Google account or even a Shopify account. It's very, very quick and easy to do. And after you've done this, the next thing you want to do is to head to the Claspo.io dashboard. When you go to the dashboard, you're going to see the tab for the widget. You want to click on the area for new widget button, and then from there all you have to do is to just choose the template library and then filter the gamification to find the perfect pop-ups for your need. And then after that, the next thing you want to do is to head to the customization for your widget. In Claspo, there's an area for the drag and drop editor, which allows you to personalize every element of your pop-up. It's talking about colors, fonts, and even images, custom images that matches your brand. All you need is right there. You can even add dynamic content like showing the specific product category a visitor is browsing. And then there's an area for adding your rewards. Okay, you can choose the rewards starting with discounts, free shipping, or even bonus points. You can set the odds for each price to make some rewards rarer than others. By doing this, you'll be creating excitement for your users, and also you're going to be creating anticipation for several users as well on your website. And then in order for you to decide where your pop-up should appear, also on Claspo.io, you have the ability, you have the opportunity to decide where exactly you want these pop-ups to show while the user is on your website. For example, you can show the pop-ups after users have been on your site for 20 seconds or when they're about to exit. Claspo even makes it very easy to target your users based on specific pages like the cart or checkout page. And now after setting up your gamified pop-ups, the next thing you need to do is to integrate it with your email marketing system. All right. So now once you have your pop-up designed, the next thing you need to do is to just head to several sites dealing with email marketing, several platforms. For example, we have tools like MailChimp, we have HubSpot, or even Active Campaign. All you have to do is to simply link it with this email marketing system. And the best part of this is that once you actually link it with this email marketing system, automatically once your user, the new users on your website actually signs up or submits their email, these particular email marketing platforms is going to ensure they continue to send regular mails to your users. And by doing this, you're actually going to be ensuring that your users come back, your users return, your users are being carried along based on your website activity. And now to simply do this, all you simply have to do is to select the email marketing system you're okay with. For example, let's say you want to go for MailChimp. All you have to do is to log into MailChimp. You need to create an account and then log in, and then you want to head to the area of create a new audience field called promo submit. All right, after you've done this, every time someone submits their email through your Gamified pop-ups, the promo code will be sent to MailChimp, and then by doing this, automatically MailChimp is going to be following up with them on their email with their rewards. And now after you finally integrated with your email marketing system, the final thing you need to do is to install the widget on your website. You want to install all what you've set up on your website. All right, now to simply do this, starting with the script itself, all you have to do is to copy and paste the short snippet of the code directly into your website. Now after doing this, you just need to wait for some minutes and then you're good to go. And in case you're using Shopify, all you simply have to do as well is to go to Claspo on the Shopify app, and then you want to install it, and finally you're good to go. And then in case you're using WordPress or even Google Tag, same thing applies. So as you guys can see, this is so amazing. So all you just have to do is to choose the platform that works best for your website, and then you have your Gamified pop-ups running in no time. And then in case you're ready to boost your conversions with Gamified pop-ups, all you just have to do is to just try Claspo. In fact, go to the site right now, search for Claspo on your Google, and then sign up and get started. And then you even have free forever plans that includes up to 30,000 monthly page views, and in fact you can even explore several other paid plans on Claspo.io. Gamification isn't just a trend, it's not something that is just coming up, but then it's a proven way to turn more traffic on your website into subscribers and finally sales. For you to start getting sales, you need to ensure you're bringing up that excitement for your users on your website. And then with Claspo.io, you have everything done in just few minutes. You can even easily implement engaging, high converting pop-ups on your website without even buying things, or without even you taking a whole lot of time. All you just have to do is to set this up in just few minutes, and you have all your pop-ups running in no time. So make sure you don't miss this opportunity to grow your email list faster and even smarter. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to share your good news in the comment section in few minutes or even days to come. So make sure to go try it out right now, and I will see you guys in my next highly informative video.